सर एक बात समझ नहीं आती, इंडिया में करोड़ों लोग पूरी जिंदगी मेहनत करते हैं, डिग्री लेते हैं, जॉब करते हैं, सैलरी कमाते हैं, ईएमआई भरते हैं, फिर भी फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम तक क्यों नहीं पहुंच पाते?
That's a very important question, Arjun. And the answer may surprise you. Most people believe they are poor because they don't earn enough. But in reality, many people stay broke even after earning more money. Because the problem is rarely income. The problem is how they think about money. I've seen people earning 50,000 rupees build wealth. And I've seen people earning 5 lakh a month remain financially trapped. The difference is not how much money they make. The difference is what they do after they make it.
सर फिर लोग लग्जरी कार्स और एक्सपेंसिव लाइफस्टाइल्स के पीछे इतना क्यों भागते हैं? अगर वेल्थ एसेट से बनती है तो लोग स्टेटस पर इतना पैसा क्यों खर्च करते हैं?
Because most people don't build their identity from within. They build it from what they think other people think about them. Think about it. Many people are not buying the car. They are buying the reaction they hope others will have when they see the car. Most people are not chasing wealth, they are chasing validation. And validation is one of the most expensive things a person can buy.
सर मिडिल क्लास की सबसे बड़ी फाइनेंशियल मिस्टेक क्या है और एसेट और लायबिलिटी में एक्चुअल डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
The biggest mistake is confusing liabilities with assets. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. A luxury car usually takes money out. A new phone usually takes money out. A business, a stock portfolio, or an income-producing asset can put money in. Wealth begins when you understand that difference.
सर रिच लोग डिफरेंट क्या करते हैं? क्या उनके पास कोई सीक्रेट फॉर्मूला होता है?
There are 3 common paths. The first path is to spend everything you earn. The second path is to borrow money to buy status. The third path is to buy assets before lifestyle. Most people choose the first two. The wealthy consistently choose the third. And over time, small choices become massive differences.
सर आप वेल्थ को कैसे डिफाइन करते हो? कोई सिंपल रूल है?
Yes, a simple way to think about wealth is this. Your income should grow much faster than your lifestyle. If income rises and expenses rise at the same speed, freedom never arrives. Many high earners look rich. Very few are actually free. True wealth is the ability to make decisions without financial pressure.
सर एआई के बारे में सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, क्या ये इंटरनेट जैसा अपॉर्चुनिटी है?
I believe so. Every major technological shift creates new winners. The internet created enormous opportunities. Artificial intelligence may do the same. The people who learn how to use these tools early will often move faster than those who ignore them. Technology rewards adaptation.
सर फ्यूचर में सबसे वैल्यूएबल स्किल क्या होगी? कोडिंग, एआई, मार्केटिंग?
Focus. A distracted person struggles to master anything. A focused person can learn almost everything. The modern world competes for your attention every minute. Those who protect their attention protect their future.
So the goal isn't becoming rich, it's becoming free, financially, mentally, and professionally.
Exactly. Money is not the destination. Freedom is. The purpose of wealth is not to impress others. The purpose of wealth is to give yourself more choices. Remember, Arjun, the rich do not simply work for money. They make money work for them.
If you enjoyed this conversation and want to learn more about wealth, investing, business, and AI, subscribe and join us for the next conversation. We'll see you soon.